Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great in your English learning process. If I say Ritu writes beautifully in her diary, in this sentence, Ritu is a noun, then beautifully is an adverb, in is preposition, diary is again noun, her is pronoun. So you can see every sentence we speak is made up of few building blocks, and these are called parts of speech. Yes. In today's video, we are going to learn about various parts of speech. Basically, parts of speech are the various words we use when we are framing sentences in writing or in conversation. Without delay, let us explore. So, the first part of speech is noun. We all know very well noun is the place, name, thing, person. Adding to this, noun is also the name of any concept or idea that you see around. Let us take example. First one is this is my school. I love my sister. Hey, that bird is very beautiful. So in all these you can see various type of noun are there. More examples like Ram, Taj Mahal, India, Asia, America. Second one is pronoun. Pronoun are the words that used at the place of noun. And why we use pronoun? We use pronoun to avoid repetition and to make better sentences. For example, Ram is going. Ram is eating food. So again and again we are using same name. Instead of that we can say Ram is going, he is eating food, he is having a nice house. So all these are pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, we, us. A third part of speech is verb. Verbs are the words that refers to action, experience, or express the state of being in the sentence. For example, Ram invites us for the party, or walking is a very nice exercise. Fourth part of speech is adjective. Adjective are the words that describe noun, pronoun, people, concepts, ideas. Okay. If I say he is a boy, then boy is a noun. But if I say he is a brave boy, so I'm telling the characteristic of a boy that he is brave. So these are the adjectives. More examples are exhausted, kind hearted, black, tall, short, yummy. All these are adjectives. Next one is adverb. Adverb are the words that tell us or describes verb or the whole sentence or adjectives. Adverbs gives us more additional information about verb, sentence or the adjectives. For example, slowly, quickly, well, extremely, loudly. Preposition, next one is preposition. Preposition are the words that tell us about the relationship between different words in the sentences or the relationship between words and phrases. They tell us about time, location, and direction, like in, on, at, above, behind, beside. All these are prepositions. Seventh one is conjunction. Conjunction are also called linking words because they connect or link together various words that are present in the sentences or the phrases or the clauses. For example, and, between, so, until, all these are conjunctions. They help us in framing compound sentences also. Eighth one is interjection. Interjections are very interesting words. They shows strong feeling or emotions to the related sentences. They are always followed by exclamatory sign, and their example, interjection example is wow, alas, ouch, hey, hi. All these are interjections. They express anger, joy, excitement, surprise. At some places, you will find determiners are also included in parts of speech. These are the words that are placed before noun and tell us about the about quantity and various other things about the noun. These are a and the. So that's it about this video. I hope you found it very helpful in your learning process of English, and parts of speech is really a very important part, important topic in English grammar. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.